Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use gift card on hotels.com. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your hotels.com web application. Now it's almost the same for your mobile application. All you just need to do is to, of course, sign up to create your account. And how do you sign up to create your account? Launch in the browser of your choice. In the search bar of your browser, type hotels.com and it's going to take you to the website, official website for hotels.com. Top right corner, click on the sign up button, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account, and once you're done, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on hotels.com. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to use gift card on hotels.com. All right, so from your mobile phone or from of course the online application right here, that's the web app, just head over to this. From this web app, let's head over to where you see where to. So you're gonna have to enter where exactly you're going to. So let's say we're going to Caravaggio, so just put that in and then enter in the dates. All right, so when exactly do you want to go there? So this is saying 2nd of December to 6th, which is pretty cool. So this is just a sample. All right, and then the next thing is saying travelers. So you're gonna have to impute this. If it's just one adult, if just you, all right, and you're an adult, just one. If you want to increase this number, you can just use the plus icon. Decreasing it would mean using the minus icon. If you're going with children ages 0 to 70, you can go ahead and add the children that you want. All right, and then come over here and impute the age or their ages. So I'm just gonna head to just decrease that because I'm just going alone, and then you can now add done. So you can add another room if you want to add another room, but then just done. Now head over to the search button and just click on that, and it's going to open you up to another window. Of course, when you get there, you will see what next to do. So these are, in this window, you're going to see all of the hotels that are available for that location. So all you need to do is to select the one that you want, that suits your fancy, and of course suits your budget, and that way. So let's head over to this first. This says very good, 550 reviews, cool enough, 8.2. All right, so just go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you to the page itself so that you can proceed with your reservation or with your booking. So this is how the hotel looks like. Look how internet looks like. You can go ahead and view all of this 29 plus pictures to see if that's what you would like. Scroll all the way down. All right, and see all of the other options that are available. All right, so head over here and click on reserve a room, and then they're going to tell you to choose your room. So which room do you want? A single room, partial sea view, double room, single use, and then double rooms. I need a single room, and then I really love the sea view. All right, so scroll all the way down and you're going to see reserve. It says we have 3 left. That's cool. So go ahead and click on the reserve button, and then let's say pay now or pay at property. So you have 2 options. Let's say pay now, and this costs $88. All right, so scroll down. So let's see what we're paying for this 4 nights. All right, average nightly rate is $87. So for 4 nights, $250, and including taxes. So total price $257, which is pretty fair. So at this point, this is the checkout point. This is exactly where you can now use your gift card. So when you've used your first name, the last name, you've entered your last name, your first name, and then your mobile number, property details, you've viewed all of that. Then coming over here to payment details. All right, this is where you can now input your gift card details. So you enter the name, all right, for your gift card, your last name, and then the card number of your gift card, the expiry date, the security code, and all of this. So if you're using your mobile phone, you can have the option of using gift card. Like you're saying, we accept the following payment methods. All of these, they also accept gift card. If you're using your mobile phone, you could actually see the gift card option there, but I don't know why it's not in the web option. But over here where you have like to input your card number, you have to now input your the gift card number, your gift card expiry date, and everything that has to do within the gift card. And of course, fill that out and proceed to pay, and your gift card balance will be deducted. So this is pretty much how you can use the gift card during the checkout process. And you can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.